In this video, we'll be going over the basics of setting up a Student Equity Plan, or SEP. This is currently in the Sandbox environment, so no changes will take place in the live Nova platform. First, we go to the Plans section of the Student Equity Program. Here we can filter by the status of a plan and the name of our college. At the start, we will want to fill out our contact step. The project lead contact can edit and submit the plan. If we want others to help us edit this plan, we can add them as alternate project lead contacts. We will also be required to add each of these approvers to certify our plan. Back to the details step, we have to agree to the legislation, which we can read using these links. We then fill out a process and schedule and some success criteria for our student equity goals. Lastly, we provide a link to our college's executive summary. Next, we will work on the metrics step. Here we set our college's goals for specific student groups. Here are some overall student population metrics. Starting from the left, we have the metric, the baseline, which is our college's student count of the metric, and then our goal for that metric. Then we have disproportionately impacted, or DI, student group metrics. These groups are categorized by demographic and gender, and we will need to fill out a goal for a specific metric of that group. The minimum equity is the student count needed to close the equity gap, and the full equity is the student count needed to eliminate the equity gap. If we want to set a goal for a student group that is not currently a DI group, we can add that student population group here. We may also add goals for demographics that aren't currently listed yet. At any point, we can also remove these added groups from our plan. Lastly, we need to complete the activities portion of our plan. Here we explain the actions our college will take to meet our student metric goals. An activity item can relate to one or more student metrics. We can also add as many activity items to our plan as we want. Finally, we arrive on the preview page. This gives us a summary of our plan. The metrics card will also show the percentage change between our baseline and our goal. Once we are satisfied with this plan, we can submit it, and our certifiers will be notified to approve or reject our plan. If all approve, the plan will then be certified. If one certifier rejects it, it will be put back into draft state, where it can be edited and resubmitted for certification. At any point after certification, if corrections need to be made, the project lead contact can uncertify the project, make the corrections, and resubmit for certifications as well.